Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson, and today is Wednesday, January 26, 2022. And today I'm going to be giving an update on the COVID vaccine. Well, we've heard from the CDC that the vaccines, and especially the boosters, are holding up well against Omicron amidst this current Omicron surge, which has infected millions of people this month. Unvaccinated people remain the highest risk for severe illness and death. Now, the CDC released new data as of January 10th on who is vaccinated and who isn't, and that's the topic of my message today. Well, at least 74% of the total population in the United States has had at least one dose of a COVID vaccine. About 60 million Americans remain unvaccinated who are over the age of 5. Now, white people account for the largest share of people who remain unvaccinated in this country, which makes sense since they're the largest demographic group here at this time. Now, Black and Hispanic people were less likely to get vaccinated in the initial rollout, but these disparities have narrowed over time, and the disparity gap has closed for Hispanic people, according to the data. Now, 30% of all unvaccinated Americans live in 4 states, and they are Texas, Florida, Ohio, and Georgia. Now, when it comes to children, the CDC reports that only 26% of eligible children between the ages of 5 to 11 and only 64% of eligible adolescents between the ages of 12 to 17 have received at least one COVID vaccine dose. So there's room to improve with our children. Now, there are 11 million adults between the ages of 40 and 64 who remain unvaccinated. Now, here is my personal opinion. These are folks in the prime of their life, and some may be parents of children who may still be at home and dependent. We know that the risk of severe disease and death is highest in unvaccinated people. So parents, please don't place your child at risk for being orphaned by COVID. And you really don't want to risk being disabled by lifelong post-COVID syndrome. This virus doesn't care about your race, your age, your occupation, what part of the country you live in, your political party, or your religious beliefs. And we know this pandemic is far from over. If you want to get a vaccine, it's easy and it's free. You can text your zip code to 438-829 or call 1-800-232-0233 for a location near you. That's my message. My views are my own. Stay safe.